The Bugatti Chiron, an icon of hyper-sports car performance since 2016, has reached the end of its era with the creation of Ultime, the final model of its limited 500-unit production. This masterpiece, a Chiron Super Sport, is a vibrant piece of bespoke art hand-assembled in Molsheim, marking a significant milestone as Bugatti transitions into a new era. The Chiron has been celebrated for its extraordinary performance, including being the first road-going car with 1500 PS and surpassing 300 miles per hour. Ultime is not only a tribute to the Chiron's legacy but also a nod to the future of Bugatti's automotive excellence. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport stands out for several reasons that make it a remarkable hypercar. Performance. It's equipped with an 8-litre W16 engine that has been thoroughly overhauled to boost its performance by 100 PS to 1500 PS. When it first wowed the world back in 2016, the color split of Atlantic blue, with French racing blue, intersected by a sweeping C-line milled from hand-polished aluminum alloy, was unlike anything seen in the automotive world before. For this 500th and final Chiron, the Bugatti Super team reimagined the original design with a mesmerizing interplay of fading colors and a tribute to all the places where the car has spread its magic since 2016. The use of the 500 seamlessly transitions from the outside to within, adorning a Chiron cabin that matches the bespoke nature of the car's exterior. Here, a carbon fiber symphony unfolds for both the driver and passenger, connecting the luxurious, deep blue, leather and blue carbon matte, high-tech finishes with hints of the iconic Bugatti, French racing blue, shade. Intricate, hand-woven, deep blue, leather that is hand-cut, hand-stitched and applied to each door panel offers this final Chiron the quintessence of excellence and timelessness, symbolizing peerless craftsmanship since the Chiron's unveiling in 2016. These features combine to create a hypercar that is not only a testament to Bugatti's engineering prowess but also a collector's item that marks the end of an era for the Chiron lineup. The Chiron Super Sport is a fitting farewell to the pure combustion-powered legacy of Bugatti as it transitions to new horizons.